We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2004 Suzuki Volusia Intruder. Passenger and rider floorboards, matching Volusia saddlebags with fringe, spoked wheels, has the quick disconnect for a windshield, and those beach bar style handlebars just make it that much more comfortable. Also has the passenger backrest and a luggage rack. She is carbureted, but after riding it for just a moment or so, she starts right back up without it. You have to pull the clutch in. So that was me balancing clutch and my phone. But she's also nice and quiet. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check it out.